Grand Blue is sitting in Platis Gialos, looking like she knows exactly how good she looks. And honestly, fair. This is the bay of the famous and the rich, whitewashed hills behind her, boats bobbing like they're posing for it, and she's the one you'd pick out of the lineup. 77 feet, Evo Marine Deauville 76 Flybridge, Filippetti build, Fulvio de Simoni design. I'm Simone Vale. This is the first episode of High-End Yacht Reviews, and I am not here to read you a brochure. I'm here to walk her, touch her, and tell you if she's actually worth the fantasy. First impression, exterior. White hull, low, sleek flybridge. Tinted glass, teak everywhere it counts. She doesn't look like a floating apartment block. She looks like she'd rather be moving. There are basically 3 levels of escape on this boat, and that's the whole trick of her. Bow's got the sun pad, teak accented, that's your sun level. Aft deck is shaded dining and a wide teak bathing platform with an electric ladder straight into the water. That's your lunch level. And up top, the flybridge. Dining table, sunbeds, a bimini with lighting built right in. That's where the group ends up by sunset. 3 moods, 3 decks, nobody's fighting over the good chair. Inside, though, this is where she surprised me. Light wood paneling, cream tones, these suspended geometric shapes hanging in the ceiling, huge windows just pouring light into the salon. It genuinely reads more boutique hotel than showroom. 4 cabins, sleeps 8, crew have their own separate quarters, so this stays a guest space. She's rated for 12 on deck, but I'll say it, book her for 8 to 10. Everyone gets their favorite corner, nobody's stepping over paddle boards to get to the espresso machine. Now, the helm, because this is the part I actually geeked out on, twin 1,650 horsepower Caterpillar C32 engines, 28 knots cruising, 32 flat out. That's real speed. That gets you to Delos or Renia with afternoon to spare. But here's the honest bit. In a Meltemi summer, a good captain slows her down, and that headline speed isn't a promise for every sea state. What actually changes your day is the Seakeeper Zero gyro stabilizer. I put my glass down on the table at anchor, didn't move. That's the difference between a nice lunch and a slightly seasick one. It doesn't erase the sea, it just makes the sea behave. And then there's the toy box. Sea bob, jet ski, paddle boards, weight gear. Enough that a mixed energy group never gets bored. Crew and conditions permitting, obviously. So, the verdict. Grand Blue is a recently refitted, genuinely fast, genuinely stabilized 77-footer with real deck separation and a full arsenal of fun. She's not a super yacht pretending at scale, and she's not trying to be. She's the polished, informal Mykonos day I'd actually book. 2 or 3 couples, maybe a family, style over stiffness. If you want cavernous suites and formal service, look elsewhere. If you want this island done right, this is your boat. That's Grand Blue. Tell me in the comments, 12 guests or keep it to 10 so everyone gets their own corner. Subscribe because next episode we're doing this all over again on a different hull somewhere just as ridiculous.